Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today, it's this kind of odd shape. Actually, I didn't know it was what it was until I counted the sides, okay? And it's got 6 sides, and a hexagon has 6 sides. So I said, wow, hey, I wouldn't have recognized this at quick glance, okay? So now what they want to know is what the value of x is, okay? They gave you all the different angles, okay, all 6 of them. So we kind of just got to add them up, and you kind of got to know how many degrees are inside this triangle, all total, okay? Well, on this information about a hexagon, okay, it tells you there's 720, okay? But what happens if this was 8 sides, or 9 sides, 10 sides? Well, there's a formula for that. And the formula is right up here. I put it up the top here, okay? It's n minus 2 times, little dot for times, okay, times 180. That equals how many degrees are inside this, okay? So the n stands for the number of sides. So it's 6 minus 2 times the 180 equals. So that's 4 times 180 equals, and what's it say? 720. So Wikipedia was right. Okay, there's 720 in this. Okay, so now all we really have to do is add up all the 3x's plus 20s and 5x's plus 10s. Okay, now if this was like homework, I'd probably list these all down. Okay, or if this was a test, I might go through this kind of quick and add the 10 and the 20 and the 15 and the 15 minus the 15 and plus a 10 and come up with that. Okay. So, and then add the 3x's, okay? Let's do it like that, okay? So, we got 3x, plus 5x is 8x, plus 4x is 12x, plus 5x is 17x, plus 5x is 22x, plus another 5x is 27x. So, we got 27x. Now, plus, we know this is going to be positive, even though I can see a negative in there, but I know most of them are positives, okay? So, we're going to go the plus 20, plus 15 is plus 35. Plus 15 is plus 50. Now we're going to go minus 15, okay, is going to be 35 again. And we get plus 10 is 45. So it's plus 45. And what's this equal? Equals 720. Okay, so hey, let's just solve this. So, hey, let's subtract 45 from one side. Okay, get the x by itself. We got to do 45, what we do to one side, we got to do the other side, 45. Okay, we subtract this. The 27 gets carried down, 27x. The equal sign gets carried down, and 720 minus 45 is 675. 675. Now, we divide. We want to get the x by itself. So this is 27 times x. So the opposite of that is division. So it's divide this side by 27 and divide this side by 27. What you do to one side, you got to do to the other side. Okay? Now, these two cross each other out. We're going to come down with x equals, get the calculator, it's 675 divided by 27. Comes out to 25. 25. So my answer is 25. Square that out so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is x equals 25. And then all you really have to do to find each one of these angles, because they probably want you to do that, so you start at the top, and you go 3 times 25 is 75, and angle H, let's just do it, okay? So we get 3 times, I'm going to do H equals, because this might be how they have the question read. They might just be asking for x, but maybe they're not, okay? So we got 3 times 25 is 75 plus is 95. Now, I equals, now we got 5 times 25 is 125, plus 15 is 140. Now, next one, we got 4 times 25 is 100, plus 15 is, that's, looks like L, I think, L. Okay, so we got 115. Okay, the next one. 5 times 25 is 125. And that's K. But you see how we're doing this now? We just go right in an order. Then we got 5 times 25 is 125, okay, for F. 125 minus 15. We got to remember that's a minus 15. So it's 110. Okay, now the next one is G. That's the last one. G. We got 5 times 25 is 125 plus 10 is 135. So hey, let's count how many we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 of them. Let's do a line there. Hey, let's get the old trusty calculator. Okay, clear it. So we got 95 plus 140 plus 115 plus 125 plus 110 plus 135 plus equals 720. And that checks. Okay, and that was what it was. Okay, so let's square all these off so the teacher knows, hey, all these are my answers. Okay, but we know X is 25 and then H and to G. And we did them all, okay? And that's all there was to it. So sometimes when things look a little complicated, you just got to step back and look at it and say, I know, I could solve this, okay? And you got to try to remember this formula we get up at the top, the n minus 2 times 180. You're going to see that more and more times because you'll see odd duck shapes, and you're going to say, hey, how can I figure the interior angles of these, okay? But if you know this formula, n minus 2 times 180, and that's it, okay? And you can do it for any shape you got, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with any mathematical friends, or especially students in school, because they might see this on an exam, and hey, they're going to solve it, and they're going to get it right, okay? And they'll get a better grade. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.